Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update really on the crypto market space and just really touch on Ethereum and just see if ETH is a good buy right now at this moment in time. So let's get straight into it. So looking at the heat map here, Bitcoin is trading above 17,000 again, which is good. Because last week it was below that level, so it's good that we're now settled above that 17,000 again. Hopefully we're moving onto the upside, and a lot of the other altcoins will follow in that direction. But let's kind of see how it plays out. So Bitcoin 17,197, Ethereum is trading at 1,271, which is up 0.027% in the last 24 hours. So not any major movement in the last 24 hours. Same as Bitcoin as well. These coins haven't really moved massively in the last 24 hours. But I guess during weekends there's not really normally much movement. So it's kind of expected. But at least we're kind of, as I was saying before, at least we're above kind of key levels at the moment. So Bitcoin trading above that 17,000, which is, I guess, positive for the space. If we take a look at Ethereum, so from, since the merge happened, we can just see what the numbers are saying. So supply change since the merge 86 days ago, there's an additional 1,154 ETH in the ecosystem. So that's looking at ETH from a proof of stake perspective, and also with the whole deflationary mechanics in place. If we look at it from a proof of works perspective, so previously how it was currently being run, or previously how it was being run, if we had continued on the old system, there would have been an additional 1,021,531 Ethereum in the ecosystem. So yeah, roughly 1 million additional Ethereum in the ecosystem. But since switching over to making Ethereum deflationary and burning Ethereum, we've only got an additional 1,153 ETH in the ecosystem in the last 86 days. So, just looking at those stats alone, it makes me bullish. Obviously, with ETH switching over to proof of stake, from an institutional investor perspective, those guys want to be holding Ethereum because it's energy efficient, so they want to be putting ETH on their balance sheet, and it makes it a lot more attractive than Bitcoin right now. So you can see here some other stats: 819k's worth of ETH has been burnt in the year so far. So these are bullish stats for ETH, and great statistics there. So if we take a look at the charts for Ethereum, I'm looking at this on the daily. I've got these trend lines in, so you can see the trend line sloping downwards. You've got the MACD here as well. So I'm looking at this ETH USDT Bollinger Bands in there as well. So currently we've got this long-term trend going down, and we're breaking that trend. We seem to be switching upwards. So what I'm kind of hoping for is that ETH at the moment will obviously trigger onto the upside and hit that 1329 level. So that's kind of like the next area of resistance, and you can see that area of resistance is also the upper end of the Bollinger Band as well. So what I'm hoping for is a continuation to the upside, hit that 1,300 level, and then we might see a little bit of a drop down before continuing to the upside. But it really depends what the market is saying at that moment in time. But short term, I'm looking at that 1.3 K especially. So roughly 1336 is that level that I'm looking for, which is the next area of resistance there. Obviously MACD at the moment is also looking bullish. So the momentum in the market on the daily perspective is showing a bullish MACD, as you can see here. So we've got that little switch over from these trend lines. We seem to be going upwards. So once we get that switch over again, similar to this one previously, that will indicate a more bearish signal in the market. But at the moment it looks fairly bullish. So based on that, and based on the us breaking the trend line here, I'm kind of looking at ETH to hit that 1.3k level, and I know it's not massive from the 1270 that we're on at the moment, but in the short term, obviously there's a few gains to be made from that perspective. And if we do break that level, if we do break 1336 and continue on to the upside, then the next key levels are roughly 1570 and so on from there. So yeah, it depends really if we can break that key level of resistance. But that's my kind of short-term view on Ethereum. If we take a look at the rainbow chart, so for ETH, so at the moment the rainbow chart is showing that we are down in this kind of area here, which is a fire sale. So that blue, kind of that light blue section down here is a fire sale area for Ethereum. So basically what that is telling me is that right now Ethereum is massively undervalued. So it's massively undervalued, and this is literally like a moment in time where you should really be trying to get into Ethereum. So you should be DCAing, or at least putting a little bit of money in. Obviously guys, do your own research and make your own judgment calls on this, but from my perspective, I'm bullish on ETH for the long term, and I'm DCAing at the moment. So from looking at this rainbow chart, this is a fire sale area, so I want to be at least DCAing a little bit of my funds into Ethereum and really loading up for the long term. So yeah, that's kind of where this rainbow chart is showing me, or what it's showing me at the moment. So yeah, as I said, I'm kind of DCAing and looking to load up on ETH at these levels. Obviously guys, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice, so please do your own research. But yeah, hit me up on the comments below. Let me know what you think about ETH at these prices. Let me know if you're buying or not. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, and I hope you have a good weekend. So catch you later. See ya.